Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So what I want all of you guys to do now is to just simply have a look at the website, okay? Because we have tons and tons of stuff on here, trust me. You know, do the little things like maybe you want to learn about certain products. So let's say you go up to shop and just wait for that here. Let's say you want to learn about some of the more popular products now. So let's say you want to learn about the Smoky Mojo Sauce Mix. Click on Full Details, and then it will actually show you guys everything. So click on the plus sign near the nutritional info and all of that here. Now, this is a very common question that customers ask me is, does this product have any, salt, sugar, how many carbs, just let them know. They can either click in the search box here. So even for yourself, if you're looking for, let's say, you're looking at I just sold a lot of the everything bagel seasonings the other day. So let's say you want to look up that. So you would just type it in. Click on products and then click on this, full details, and then click on nutritional info. You'll learn all about it right here. So look, you guys, 0% sugar and 0% sodium. How amazing is that? So just something I talked about with a lot of my, I posted this a couple times in my Facebook group. And people are like, oh, wow, I didn't even know you had this. Like, that would be amazing. And no salt and no sugar. Well, that's a no-brainer. I have to have it. So then when your customer orders something, it's also nice to be able to send them the recipes. So remember before, so I'll do that again. Just type in the product that you're searching for. And it shows up all of the different recipes for it. So how nice is that? In fact, I didn't even think about this, but you can make everything bagel pretzels. Who would have thought? Not me, but that sounds amazing. Click on full details, and then you can either send them, like, copy and paste this and send it to them that way, or just simply send them the link from here. In fact, I'm actually going to post that on my Facebook group because this looks really, really good. And it looks really easy to prepare too. So can we say yum? Plus, let's say you are showing your customers this, and then they go, oh, I don't have that sweet and spicy mustard. Can I purchase that? Say, yeah, you know what? Sure. They have a picture right here. Click on full details. It will tell you more about the actual product. And then they can also click add to the basket. So nice, right? So it just sort of shows you and gives you a good idea of how the website works. Another common question is a lot of customers ask me for the newest catalog. I just tell them to go to the website. It's always right here. So they just have to click view catalog. And I do send all of my customers a paper catalog too. So, but this is just if they just sort of want to look up something quickly or they don't have the paper with them, they can look it up right here. So Epicure, you guys, makes it so easy. Another thing is if you are looking for some recipe ideas, click on cook right up here. I do this often. And let's say, and you can enter in, like, let's say you have too much chicken in the fridge that you have to cook. Click on chicken. Then let's say you're looking for something for dinner. Click on dinner and then click on search. Or let's say there is a certain product you have purchased and you don't really know how to use it. So let's say the one we had talked about, Smoky Mojo Sauce. Type it in under the product and click search. And look at all of that, you guys. It gives you different ideas. Actually, I think I spelled it wrong. Sorry about that. But you get the idea, right? Or a lot of people lately have purchased a steamer because I love them. I talk about them all the time. So you just have to type in steamer, click search, and then it will give you, I don't think I'm using this properly. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's just mix it up because I want to actually show you guys how this works. So let's say chicken. Let's say you're looking for something for Father's Day because today is Father's Day. click on search, all of the different ideas, because I'm not a very creative person. So I need to look up a recipe to make something, and I don't like eating the same thing every day. So Epicure makes it easy, and just look how good that looks. So it's so nice to be able to send your customers recipes depending on what they purchased. Okay, so just some tips for you guys. Look through the website, take your time, so that when you actually are a part of this amazing company, you will have a good heads up, right? And get your customers excited, because hey, it's less than a month away. That's a good time to build excitement. Tell your customers or your potential customers, whoever orders my first day, even when I'm with the company, will get an extra, I don't know, coupon. Come up with something, right? Like come up with something. Invite people over. Say everybody who orders from me my first or second day will get a free sample. Why not, right? So yeah, you guys, so I'm getting hungry. I'm probably going to go make some lunch now. This actually looks really good, and I think we do have some chicken in the fridge. I don't think we have any hamburger buns, but who needs them, right? I can put sauce on the chicken, lettuce, cucumbers. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm getting hungry. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.